All right, boys and girls, so here we are. It is Wednesday, April 15th, and we're going to be beginning our compare and contrast writing task for the BFG Part 2. So we're going to be doing this activity between today, tomorrow, and maybe Friday after our quiz if you haven't finished it already. So I want to just go over what it is exactly that you're going to be doing. That way there's no confusion when you begin. So compare and contrast, okay? So we are going to be comparing and contrasting the two giants that we have already met in the story. This one, obviously, one of them is the big friendly giant, which is known as the BFG. And then the other one is the blood bottler that we just met in yesterday's chapter 9 reading. So I just want you to remind you, I put over here in pink, remember, comparing and contrasting is finding the similarities and the differences between two different things. You can use a Venn diagram to help you organize your thoughts in the pre-writing stage. So that's pretty much what we're going to be doing today. We're going to do all the pre-writing in the Venn diagram, and hopefully you'll be able to start your paragraph. But if not, it's not a big deal. You still have tomorrow to do this as well. So over here in this box, I'm going to give you your secret sentence. I'm not going to say it out loud. I'm just going to type it, so you do need to be paying attention to the end of this video. So let's move on to slide 2. I'll give that to you later. Here's your Venn diagram. I already set everything up for you. We did this for Nick and Mrs. Granger back when we were reading Frindle. So if you need to go back into classwork and writing pieces, you can have an example of what you can type inside here too. So remember, on the outside of the Venn diagram is the differences. So here's the blood bottler, and then here's the BFG. Notice how I put 4 bullet points already for you. So that means I want to know 4 differences between them. And then in the middle, we have our both. And I put 3 bullet points, so 3 things that make them similar, okay? Three things that are similar about them. So once you finish all of this, then you can go to slide 3, and you can actually put it all into paragraph form, okay? You are pretty much taking all the information from here and putting it into sentences and paragraph form into slide 3. Now, how do you even start? What do you include? That's why I put a checklist here for you, okay? So hook sentence, you want to identify the 2 things you're comparing and contrasting. So what are the 2 things that you're comparing and contrasting here? There are many differences and similarities between the BFG and the blood bottler. That's what identifying is. I want you to name at least 3 differences with 2 pieces of text evidence, and then 2 similarities with 1 piece of text evidence. My suggestion is type all of the differences and similarities first, save the text evidence for last, and just, plug them into where you want them. And then finally, your thinker sentence, okay? I also put a revise and edit checklist. Remember, arms and cups. I put some things I'm really going to be focusing on, using strong and spicy words, having transition words, capitalizing proper nouns in the beginning of sentences, having punctuation marks at the end. And then the best thing to do is to read your paragraph out loud to yourself, because you can pick up your mistakes a lot quicker that way. Remember, we made paragraphs for Nick and Mrs. Granger. So if you use that to help you in your ELA notebook, you'll do just fine, okay? So make sure you go back and do that. So if you have any questions about comparing and contrasting, you can email me, you can do a private message. I will be popping in to help you as you work. All right, so let's go ahead and give you that secret sentence, all right? All right, so go ahead and type that into your assignment when you open this up. All right, good luck, and I will talk to you guys soon. Take care.